Hello, I'm Hilary Benn, the Labour Member of Parliament for Leeds Central, and I want to express my profound concern at the decision of the Indian government to revoke Article 370 of the Indian Constitution, which has granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir. This is a deeply provocative decision. The place itself is in lockdown with Indian troops, the internet cut off, and it's vital that this decision is reversed. The people of Kashmir have suffered far too much for far too long, and ever since partition in 1947, all the people of Kashmir have wanted is the right to determine their own future by means of self-determination. This is a deeply retrograde act, and I call on the Indian government to reverse it as soon as possible as we stand in solidarity with the people of Kashmir. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.